Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create a powerful slide presentation using the Google Slides mobile app on your smartphone. Step 1. Get the app. First, download the Google Slides app from your respective app store. It's free. Step 2. Choose your template. Once you're in, tap the plus button to start a new presentation. You can begin with a blank slide or select from various ready-made templates categorized for education, work, or personal use. Pick one that suits your presentation topic. Step 3. Editing slide. Edit the text on your slides by tapping on the text box. You can change font styles, sizes, colors, and even add bold or italics. Customize it to your liking. Step 4. Enhance your slides. Explore more features by tapping the A. Here you can change the shape properties. Make your slides visually appealing with colors, borders, and styles. Step 5. Add content. To enrich your presentation, use the plus icon to insert these elements and format them as needed. You can add text, images, shapes, lines, tables, and links. To add an image, simply tap the image icon and follow the prompts. Once your presentation is complete, tap the 3 dots, then Share and Export. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.